Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Learn English Easy Way, where learning English is easy, fun, and full of energy. I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul. I was full of energy before you said the word exercise.
Oh, come on, Paul. Don't tell me you don't like exercising.
Does lifting pizza boxes count as exercise?
Only if the pizza is really heavy.
Then yes, I'm a fitness champion.
All right, Mr. Champion. Today's topic is all about fitness and exercise, how we stay healthy and active.
Okay. I'm ready to sound healthy.
Not just sound healthy, Paul. Be healthy.
One step at a time, Emily.
So tell us, do you actually exercise?
I do. I go for a morning walk. Well, sometimes an afternoon walk. Okay, fine. Sometimes just a walk to the fridge.
That's not exercise, Paul. That's temptation training.
Hey, it still burns calories. Emotional ones.
You're unbelievable. All right, let's be serious. Exercise is really important for our body and mind.
That's true. When I actually do it, I feel great. More energetic, less lazy, and happier.
Exactly. Exercise releases endorphins, those happy chemicals in your brain.
Oh, yeah, the feel good ones. Like when you eat chocolate.
Yes, but healthier than chocolate.
I'll consider that.
So, what kind of exercise do you enjoy?
I like cycling. It's fun, fast, and I can listen to music while doing it.
That's great. Do you cycle every day?
Well, let's say every week. Or every time my car won't start.
That's not regular, Paul.
Hey, at least I'm consistent. In being inconsistent.
I'll give you points for honesty.
Thank you, fitness queen. Now tell me, what's your routine?
Oh, I love yoga. It keeps my body flexible and my mind calm.
Yoga? Wow, that looks hard.
It's actually peaceful once you get used to it. Breathing, balance, and focus. It's like meditation for the body.
Like this? Whoa, I think my meditation just fell over.
You're hopeless. But seriously, yoga helps with posture, breathing, and even sleep.
Maybe I should try it. But I'd probably need help standing back up after every pose.
Don't worry, we'll call it Paul's Special Yoga. 1 pose per day.
I like that. Manageable goals.
Okay, Mr. Manageable Goals. What about diet? Do you eat healthy too?
Define healthy.
You mean pizza and fries again, don't you?
Hey, potatoes are vegetables. And cheese is dairy. That's 2 food groups already.
That's creative nutrition.
Thank you. I call it balanced diet. 1 slice in each hand.
You're impossible.
That's what my trainer said before quitting.
Paul, seriously though, healthy eating and exercise go hand in hand.
You're right. I do feel the difference when I eat light and go for a jog.
Exactly. Exercise isn't just about muscles. It's about feeling good and staying active.
True. And it doesn't always mean gym workouts. You can dance, swim, play sports, or even take long walks.
Yes. Anything that keeps your body moving counts as exercise.
You know, my grandmother is 70 and she still goes for a walk every morning.
Wow, that's inspiring. See, age doesn't matter. Consistency does.
I think I'll follow her example, starting next Monday.
Why always Monday, Paul?
Because every Monday feels like a new beginning. And by Tuesday, I'm already tired of it.
You're too honest. But hey, baby steps. The key is to start small.
True. Maybe I'll start with stretching every morning.
That's perfect. Just 5 minutes a day can make a big difference.
And after that, maybe I'll try yoga or dancing.
Oh, dancing is a great workout. It burns calories and lifts your mood.
Like this?
That's not dancing, that's wiggling.
Hey, every move counts.
You're right. Fitness is about enjoying movement, not just following rules.
And staying consistent. That's the real challenge.
Yes, but with a good attitude, it becomes fun.
So, everyone, what's your favorite way to stay fit?
Do you like yoga, running, gym workouts, or dancing like Paul?
Remember, if you're moving, you're winning.
That's a great line, Paul.
I know. Maybe I'll print it on a t shirt. Move it to lose it.
That's actually a great idea.
Or maybe exercise now, pizza later.
There it is. Balance again.
Exactly. Life's about balance, not perfection.
And that's the best advice for everyone watching. Stay active, stay happy, and take care of your body.
Because it's the only place you have to live in.
Beautifully said, Paul.
Thank you, Yoga Queen.
And thank you, Pizza Champion.
Thank you for watching Learn English Easy Way. And like this video and subscribe. Stay healthy, keep moving, and see you next time.